And this is worse than any post any of you got while you were here. But the Jesuit order survived the storm, and believe me, you will too. The simple fact of the matter is that your education has brought you where you are now, and no report card has been invented that can measure the depth and breadth of what you have learned and what you have become in Ateneo. It doesn't matter if you receive the highest score or if you barely made it. Don't believe your report card. You are far better than what it says. To end, fellow graduates, dear graduates, I would like to give you a fourth reason why grades underestimate you. When I fielded my survey to my classmates last week, I received many different themes on what the most important lesson was. Can you guess what the most common answer was? I assure you nobody said Krebs cycle or the quadratic equation. By far the most common answer was the lesson of friendship. This is something we didn't get from our books or lectures. This is something we learn from each other. For sure, it can never be measured by grades. So savor this last moment of high school and look around you. Look at the wonderful friends you found. You don't know this yet. Your high school friends are unlike any. They will last forever. You may be parting ways now, but your paths will cross again like ours has, regardless of profession that you have chosen. How many of you plan to be doctors? May I just... Okay, take down their names and be kind to them. They will take care of you when you're sick and they will not charge you. How many are leaving the country for college? Not a lot. How many are leaving? Don't be ashamed. I'm sure some are. Well, you know who, yeah, so a few are leaving and some might even stay there. Remember them as well. When you travel, you're going to live in their homes and they will feed you. Free. That is true. There might even be a priest here somewhere. Meron bang matpapare? Well, I suppose some people are thinking about it, but look for them. They will preside at your wedding and baptize your child. I'm not sure if you want to confess to them. That would be a horrible thought, right? There will be politicians amongst you, governors, mayors, cabinet members, maybe even the president. Even they will seek refuge in your reunions. Because it is only there that they can be themselves with people they truly trust, their high school friends. It doesn't matter what they do. When you are down and out, your classmates will get together to pull you up. They will chip in for your hospital expenses or help send your kids abroad, even when they themselves are in need. I can spend the entire day with you talking about high school friends. My main difficulty preparing for this talk was choosing which anecdotes to share, just to show how close we were 32 years ago and how much closer we've become since then. I am immensely proud of the people I grew up with in high school. When I hear stories of principals they've had to stand up for in their life, I can see those same principles were the ones we nurtured together in high school. Our futures diversified us, but our values remain the same. Today, we remain comrades in the same rebellion, fighting the battle in different zones. So, savor this moment. Say your goodbyes for now, but know that your paths will cross again. With graduation, your friendship has become more binding than marriage. You cannot divorce a high school classmate. Kahit order pa yan ng Vatican, it's illegal. Savor this moment, dear graduates. no matter what your grades, you have the Ateneo behind you and your friends beside you. So you will have no choice. Like the Blue Eagle that has symbolized you, you will fly high. Congratulations, thank you.